Join me as we assemble and learn how to use this Eurochef cooker EG65-G-G. This cooker has 4 gas burners and a gas oven. This one in particular is white in color, bringing out its elegance and eccentricness for your kitchen. First is to install the stands. They are usually 4, and they come with the cooker. The second most important thing is to install the top glass lid. You install the rubber hook first, then the metallic hook next, and then the sew. This glass lid has ventilation holes that you insert the rubbers in them. This top glass lid is strong and unbreakable. It is easy to clean and maintain. Our cookers have the BX burners, the highest quality of aluminum, and as you know, aluminum is the best conductor of heat. This cooker also has jet valves that help to regulate the amount of gas that goes into the burner and constant supply of gas. Also, our burner caps are enamel coated to provide durability and resistance to scratching. It comes with strong grills that are usually in the oven. To use this cooker effectively, you will need a gas cylinder and electricity. The pipe you connect to the pipe leg behind the cooker. The first knob from the right is for the last burner from the right. The second burner from the right, it's for the upfront burner of the right. The fourth burner from the right, it's for the first burner from left. The fifth burner from right, it's for the last burner from left. Note that, to switch them on, you turn the knob clockwise. To switch off, you turn the knob anti-clockwise. The oven holds capacity up to a capacity of 7.5 liters. The third knob from right is for the oven. It also has a rotisserie, for example, chicken or beef, depending on what you want to cook. THE rotisserie has a supportive hook to enhance convenience. THE rotisserie has a supportive hook to enhance convenience. The beauty of rotisserie, it rotates, making you food cook all round. This cooker also has the luxury of an oven light. Its switch-on knob is the first one from left. Thank you for watching.